All right, guys, welcome back. Wait, you guys hear that? Oh no. Uh-oh, looks like we're gonna have to do the tennis ball game. So here's what we're going to do. There're gonna be tennis balls coming on either side of the screen and underneath. What you guys gotta do with me is we gotta either squat or jump. Now when you squat, you wanna have a good tall back, feet apart, hands just like this, and make sure you go really deep. Okay, when we jump now, we're gonna pick up our knees, just like that, okay? All right, ready? Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and duck. Nice, good job, duck. Good, duck. Good job, and jump. Nice, good work, jump. Good, jump. Good, all right, ready, duck. Good, duck. Good, duck. Good, jump. Good, duck. Good, good work, duck. Good, jump. Good, jump. Good, jump. Good, jump. Good, duck. Good, duck. Jump. Good, jump. Good, duck. One more, jump. Nice, good job, you guys. Oh, very good work. Half fives, half fives, half fives, half fives, half fives. Awesome, good job, awesome. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and do some stretching. So make sure you have a nice wide open spot. Okay, so for the first stretch we're going to do, let's go ahead and sit down. Good, nice. Let's go ahead and have our feet together just like this. Okay, now when you guys stretch, you want to make sure your knees aren't bent. They're locked out. Now, here's the thing. Some of you guys might go really far and touch your toes. Some of you guys may not. Some of you guys might be at your knees. That's totally okay. Just the most important thing is that when you guys are doing these stretches, okay, you're doing the best that you can do. Okay, so don't try to compare yourself to anybody else. Don't worry about what everyone else is doing. You do your very best. Understand? You guys say yes, sir? Awesome, good. Okay, we're going to go down as far as we can. Okay, we're going to go ahead and count to 10 in Korean. Okay, try your best to keep up. Everyone say, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job, and up. Good work. All right, go ahead and have your feet apart as wide as you can. Good, awesome. Now go ahead and go this way this time. All right, repeat after me. Say, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job. All right, going the other way this time. Good, and 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job. Awesome. All right, now down to the middle. Full 10 seconds. Ready? And repeat after me. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. All right, go and put your legs in for a butterfly stretch. Good. Go and flap your wings. Flap your wings. Good. Nice. Then go ahead and go down. Ready? Repeat after me. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열, and up. All right, we got one more stretch. I want you guys to go ahead, go on your stomach just like this. Good, now pick yourself up. Upper body push-up. So your knees are on the ground, your hips on the ground, and you're reaching up for the ceiling just like this, okay? Good work. All right, repeat after me. Say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, and 열. Very good. Nice, good job, you guys. Awesome. Good work. You guys give me a high five. Perfect, perfect. Good. Okay, now, before we leave class today, I have something to tell you guys. I want to ask you guys a question. What do you think is a goal? What's a goal? Okay? Now, here's what I have for you. I have a worksheet that you guys can download below this video. I want you guys to go ahead and come up with a goal. Okay, so I'll give you guys some examples. So let's say your goal is to get stronger, right? So let's say your goal is to get stronger. How do you get stronger? Well, you do push-ups, right? You do lots of push-ups, you get strong. Let's say your goal is to be more healthy, right? To be more healthy. That might be drinking water every day, right? So I want you guys to come up with a goal, work on it with your parents. I have a sheet down below you guys can fill out. Hope you guys have a great week. And, oh, what's that, Dojo? You got something for me? Dojo found a clue. Let's take a look. So what Dojo found was a pair of sharp fangs. What has sharp fangs? Well, maybe in the next lesson we'll discover what has sharp fangs. Maybe we'll get another clue as well. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time. Good work. See you later. Hey homeschool parents, are you looking for an activity to help your kids get more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at co-op, and I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week, the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.